How to turn off Facebook notifications on your iPhone. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. The first way is through the app itself. You can tap here on Facebook. Now you'll come over here and tap on these 3 little lines for the menu. Go ahead and tap it. Here you scroll down until you get to Settings and Privacy. Tap on that. A submenu will open up. In this submenu, you'll tap on the Settings option again. From here, you just need to scroll down to the Notifications option. And in here, you can control your notifications and turn off specific ones. For example, comments. I don't want to get notifications for comments. I just come here. In this case, I'm getting notifications by email, so I'll come and uncheck it. If you're getting them in all 3 ways, push, email, and SMS, you just have to uncheck them. Once it's unchecked, you won't get notifications for comments anymore. And then you just do the same for all of these. For example, here, updates from friends. You can tap on that. Come here and turn everything off. By tapping this option, I'm going to turn everything off. I'll tap here again. There, it's turned off. So this is how I'm turning off the notifications. With this method, you have to go through and do each one individually. With the second option, you can turn them all off at once. How's that? Let me show you. To turn them off more quickly, you'll go into your phone settings, tap it. Here, you're going to scroll all the way down to your list of apps. You're going to tap on Apps. Now you'll search for the Facebook app. It's very simple. Once you search, it'll pop up. Tap on it. And here, the third option is Notifications. Tap that. Notice that it's set to allow notifications. If you don't want to receive them and want to turn them off, just tap this option, and that's it. I've just turned off all Facebook notifications on the iPhone the easy way. So you can turn them off using either of these 2 methods. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to the channel.